794, let's fucking go. So in the EDIC002 function section, we have this new function, saw for build to as 3 digits. We're going to take our scrolling window, and we are going to take the digits all the way to the left and multiply them by 100, 10, and 1 to get a 3-digit number and spit it out right here. In EDIC002 function section, we also have this thing called saw for build n10, which we've made previously. It's just a keyboard input that modifies the scrolling window. So our function pointer for that new function is right here as 3 digits. And then down here, adjust target member. If we are bound to the FEMI336 parameter index, then when we modify the scrolling window, we want to modify the FEMI value stored in the editor. So we're going to use our helper function to get a 3-digit value. We're going to rename it to FEMI366. We're going to make sure it's within the bounds, 0 to 366 minus 1, and if it's out of bounds, we'll cap it, and then we'll store that value inside of our editor state. Okay, key down for editor controller 2. What are we doing here? Let's scroll down here. So, change SOB mode. So here's an alias for the key that's being pressed. If we're pressing the lay sobo key, we're going to change to the glass panel editor mode. If we press the lay femi key, we're going to change to the lay femi tile mode that lays the FATA encoded monochrome images that can be stamped into the glass panels. Change bound member. Okay, so this is an alias because this was getting kind of large, and this is the key binding FEM336. So what do we got here? If the key is this key binding, then we're going to change the parameter index that is bound to the scrolling window, and we're going to bind the FEMI366 to the scrolling window, so when we press the number pad, the FEMI366 value gets updated. And this right here changes this temporary variable. We persist it down here. Okay, what we did previously, and then footnotes and shit, and we need to get the fuck out of here. So if you want a longer explanation, go here. You are on the fast playlist. We don't have time here. Source code, ways to get a hold of me. Like, subscribe, send money. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a fully destructible fractal geometry side-scroller Bomberman MMO game with GoldenEye-style proximity mines. Like and subscribe.